Welcome to Builder Information Systems Video Learning Center. This tutorial will cover the time card import process for payroll. The Builder Information System time card process provides the option to import payroll information from a CSV file generated from an Excel spreadsheet or other applications like the About Time time card software. Carefully note that the CSV file should include the employee ID, job number, cost code, hours type, the date, and the hours. The other information required for the payroll process, the employee name, GL account, job name, cost code description, workers' comp state, workers' comp classification will automatically be pulled from the employee's master record in Builder Information System. The first step prior to importing the information is to set up the time card template. The time card template guides the information from the CSV file to the corresponding fields and checks the information for errors. Once the template is created and saved, access import data by either selecting the link from the My Desktop Payroll screen or by selecting it in the transaction menu. When the screen appears, enter or select the pay period date in the upper left portion of the screen. If a pay period has already been started, the current pay period date will automatically appear in the field. Now, click on the Import button in the lower right. From the Import to Time Card screen, select the template, then browse and select the import file. Note the options to either append to time card or overwrite current time card. The first time loading, select Append to Time Card and click OK. The import records will then populate the screen. Note in the example shown, the records with the red X indicate one or more errors in the record. By floating the cursor over the red X, a prompt will appear with information concerning the needed corrections before the record will import successfully. Corrections may be made to the record field directly in the screen or by using the Replace button, then checking the area or areas that need to be corrected and making the needed field modifications and clicking OK. Note, you can use the Select All button to apply changes to all the records, or by holding down the Control key and clicking on the desired records allows you to individually select multiple records in the list. Holding down the Shift key allows you to select a range of entries. Once all the records have been corrected, click the Load button. You'll receive a prompt indicating records from time card payroll hours loaded successfully. Click OK. The data is now loaded into payroll hours and adjustments and can be accessed and modified if needed prior to completing the payroll process. Additional payroll records may be loaded during the pay period using the time card process, the crew process, recurring payroll, or entered manually in payroll hours and adjustments.